Hi, Alex. So you decided to organize DevFest for Ukraine in basically just 1 month. So how did that happen, and how did you come up with that idea?
Oh, actually, like I saw one conference was doing pretty much the same idea as I've been
Mhm.
organizing the conference for devs, and at that time they gathered around like $80,000. And yeah, I remember that we've been doing it like quite time ago. And why not organize DevFest Ukraine once again for the great cause and raise some funds for Ukraine?
Okay, so you've been working on this for a couple of weeks already, I think. So how is it going so far? What is the progress like?
So yeah, we started about months ago. My
Mhm.
first idea was to organize it actually in 1 month, but after we gathered with our team, we decided like 1 month is too short time.
Right.
So we postponed it till June. So yeah, so far we raised around $60,000. I guess it's really great success. A lot of sponsors support us, a lot of people joining us. So yeah, everyone is still welcome to donate to our cause, and yeah, as much as possible.
Right. And I believe the donations start with as little as $10, I think, right? So absolutely everyone can join the conference, learn something new, and also support Ukraine.
Yes, that's right. So for the minimum donation right now is $10, but for sure, we and whole Ukraine are welcome for your great donations. And like, don't limit yourself. You can donate as much as you can.
Thank you. And can you tell us a bit about the conference a bit? So what is it like? Will it be like 2 days online? And what are the sessions? What are the speakers? So can you talk about content a bit?
Sure. So we're gonna have one keynote and 3 sessions per day, and 3 streams by 3 sessions. So in total, we're gonna have 10 sessions. The first day is gonna start with great keynote. I can't tell about our keynote speaker for now, but it will be super nice. After that, we have 3 top speakers in Android, web, and AI. And on second day, pretty much the same idea, but instead of opening keynote, we're gonna have closing keynote, which we already announced. It will be about information warfare.
You organized something like 5 or 6 DevFests in the past. So can you compare a bit? Like, what is it like to work on it now? What is different? Maybe what do you like about organizing DevFest this time comparing to previous editions?
Uh, yes. So I've been organizing 8 DevFest in
Well,
past, so it's gonna be our ninth, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, before that, it was different because it was offsite, and right now we're gonna have online event. Plus, before that, most of the team was at one place in Lviv, and right now our organizers are spread around Europe
mhm.
in 3 or 4 different time zones. It's kind of hard to come up at one time, especially because some people are still in Ukraine and they still have to hide during siren rides, go to bunkers, and also besides their current job, they're doing volunteering. So yeah, everyone is doing their best,
Mhm.
but yeah, we have a great team. So far so good.
Awesome. So thank you for sharing what it's like to work on DevFest. And as a last thing, can you suggest a few ways in how people can join or help? So maybe they can donate, maybe they can share the event. So any last minute, suggestions or recommendations of how people can support the conference?
Yeah, so people can support our conference with donating through our website. Just
Mhm.
select the payment you want to go, the price. Uh, the minimum donation, as I said, is $10, but don't limit yourself. If you don't want to join, you can also just spread the word, like in
Right.
your company, tell about the conference, invite your friends, invite your girlfriend, like whatever. Like just come and support Ukraine, listen to great talks, and yeah, be Ukraine.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Alek, and good luck with the conference.
Yeah, see you soon.
See you soon.